Hi everyone, welcome back to A to Z Vegetables. Today we are on D and we're going to be talking about the Daikon radish. This is a Japanese vegetable. It's very common, found in Japanese and Asian dishes. It looks like a large overgrown carrot. It is white in color, but it is in the radish and root family. Daikon is very, very high in vitamin C and phosphorus, and it helps with digestion and digestive enzymes. So it's a great thing to add into our diet. It is, to prepare, you have to peel the outside similar to a carrot, and then there's lots of different ways that you can use it. You can eat it raw and it adds crunch to a salad. It can replace any radish in a recipe, or you can cube it and saute it almost like a hash, a potato hash, or you can thinly slice it and make chips out of it with some paprika and chili powder, which is what I'm gonna do with it today. And I'm going to then post some videos of how I did that along with this one. Below, in the links below, you'll also see some other recipes of things you can do with a Daikon radish and ways to prepare it. So I hope this is helpful and it's something that you can start incorporating into your diet. So make every day a day for a victory.